continue, we will now solve for VCE. For VCE, we're going to use this path. So if you're going to loop, you will end up with negative VCC plus IC prime, which is also your IE. So we're just going to use IE times RC plus VCE plus IE RE equals 0. Factoring out IE, negative VCC plus IE, you have 2 IE, 1 for RC and RE. So RC plus RE plus VCE equals 0. If we're going to solve IE in terms of IC, again, the equation for IE is equal to IB plus IC. Then IC is equal to beta IB. Solving for IB, that would be equal to IC over beta. Negative VCC, IE is equal to eventually IB, which is IC over beta, IC over beta plus IC times RC plus RE plus VCE equals 0. Isolating VCE, VCE now will be equal to VCC minus, you can factor out IC, 1 over beta plus 1 times RC plus RE. This will now be your equation for VCE. In some scenarios, we don't have RE. So just remove RE from your equation as well as from the other loop if there is no IE. But if there's an RE connected to your emitter, then you need to include that in your computations. So these are the two equations that you are going to need in order to solve for IB and VCE.